Welcome to this video on the AI native organization, architecting the future of IT. We'll explore how organizations are rebuilding IT infrastructure from the ground up, moving from brittle automation to intent-driven, self-healing, and fully autonomous systems. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the AI Foundations and Tech Topics series. We begin with Chapter 1, the era of brittle automation. It's essential to understand where we came from and why the old model of IT is no longer sufficient for modern complexity. The legacy of traditional IT is defined by three factors: complexity and silos, which led to mounting technical debt; manual and reactive operations, responding to failures instead of preventing them; and deterministic automation, which was rule-bound and lacked inherent reasoning. Tools like Bash scripts, Terraform, and Ansible were the holy grail of DevOps, offering powerful, repeatable automation. However, this automation was fundamentally brittle. Any deviation caused cascading failures, leading to 3 a.m. pager alerts for issues machines should have resolved themselves. This created the age of reactive firefighting. IT teams spent their time chasing alerts, patching failures after the fact, and managing systems that were too complex for any single person to fully understand. The cost of downtime is more than just dollars. Gartner estimates the average cost of IT downtime is $5,600 per minute. 60% of outages are preventable, and hidden costs like trust erosion multiply the true impact by 3x. This brings us to Chapter 2, the dawn of agentic AI. A new paradigm is emerging, where AI doesn't just generate information, but reasons, plans, and acts to solve complex problems. Generative AI is passive, writing scripts and summarizing information. Agentic AI, however, runs the script, observes systems, plans remediation steps, and safely executes actions. This is a shift from managing servers to managing cognitive architectures. The agentic AI operates based on the CPA model. Context is perception through high cardinality data. Planning is the reasoning part. Action is tool use and execution. Finally, memory, or RAG, recalls past knowledge for context-aware decisions. The CPA loop ensures that each cycle of perception, planning, and action feeds back into the agent's memory. This makes every subsequent decision faster, smarter, and more contextually aware. Commodore's Claudia AI introduces a multi-agent framework. Specialized agents, encoding deep operational knowledge, work in parallel across multiple domains, orchestrating complex, multi-step incident investigations. Harness.io is architecting autonomous infrastructure through 3 core capabilities. The synthetic brain enables continuous reasoning. Safe and secure remediation ensures actionable and governed fixes. Autonomous control loops allow agents to detect, decide, and act without human input. We move now to Chapter 3, the rise of self-healing systems. This new era focuses on infrastructure that doesn't just report problems, but resolves them continuously and autonomously. Clover.ai is pioneering artificial general decision-making, shifting us from passive surveillance to system sovereignty. Their agents observe, make context-aware decisions, and self-correct, creating intelligent and self-healing IT systems. Riverbed demonstrates the path from reactive to self-driven resolution. Moving past reactive and predictive phases, their agentic AI acts proactively to prevent and resolve incidents, delivering fewer outages and faster recovery. AI-native infrastructure, like a living organism, continuously detects, diagnoses, and restores optimal function at machine speed and around the clock. This concept defines the infrastructure that heals itself. Riverbed's agentic AI is built on 4 pillars: see it, solve it, automatically provides real-time data correlation, and intelligent remediation. IT that heals itself identifies root causes instantly. Always on. Always Trusted combines autonomous execution with governance, and Zero Tickets resolves incidents before they impact users. Chapter 4, the AI native IT organization. This chapter explores how IT is being redefined, moving from a traditional cost center to a strategic engine for business growth. ServiceNow is defining the future of autonomous IT with 3 key outcomes: zero downtime, where AI continuously monitors and remediates outages; zero outages, where predictive intelligence prevents failures; and zero incidents, a fully autonomous loop where service desk tickets become obsolete. This is the strategic shift from support to strategy. AI agents continuously learn and act, dramatically reducing the need for human intervention. As Pablo Stern of ServiceNow says, IT becomes truly autonomous, shifting to a strategic driver of the business. We face two visions of IT, remaining in a reactive mode or embracing AI-native operations. The choice allows organizations to redirect human talent toward work that drives competitive advantage. New AI capabilities enhance resilience across the enterprise. This includes autonomous technology and digital employee experience resolution, streamlined IT service and operations management, and autonomous IT asset and strategic portfolio management, eliminating manual overhead. Xenon Stack is helping build AI-native infrastructure, moving from proof of concept to production, with accelerators like Akira AI and Nexus Stack. Their platform addresses critical barriers, such as data quality, security compliance, and legacy system integration. AI-native infrastructure at scale looks like a living digital ecosystem. Every service, system, and workflow is continuously optimized by intelligent agents working in concert to deliver greater reliability. Chapter 5. The autonomous maintenance paradigm. This involves moving from command-driven operations to intent-driven infrastructure. Operators define the outcome, and AI autonomously figures out how to achieve it. Intent-driven infrastructure allows operators to define the desired outcome, letting AI agents orchestrate all necessary actions. For example, ensuring 99.999% uptime for an API, with the agent continuously planning and acting to meet that intent. Autonomous maintenance represents the next frontier, encompassing self-detection of anomalies, self-diagnoses using machine-speed root cause analysis, and self-healing actions. This dramatically reduces manual maintenance and unplanned downtime. This approach ensures resilience, rebuilt in real time. Autonomous maintenance means infrastructure senses, adapts, and restores function faster than any human engineer could ever manage. The human role is elevated, not replaced. AI eliminates repetitive work, freeing IT professionals to become architects of intelligence, defining intents, governing AI behavior, and driving strategic outcomes. Finally, Chapter 6, the future is now. The AI-native organization is a competitive imperative, not a long-term goal. The transformation is already underway, defining the future of enterprise IT. The AI-native organization delivers 4 key competitive advantages. These include agility to deploy infrastructure at the speed of business, resilience through self-healing systems, efficiency from autonomous operations, and faster time to market by innovating at machine speed. The growth curve of AI-native IT shows a clear inflection point. Organizations adopting this infrastructure gain exponential increases in efficiency and resilience, while traditional IT plateaus. The gap will only accelerate from here. To summarize the key takeaways. First, the transformation to autonomous systems is underway. Second, agentic AI based on the CPA model is the core enabler. Third, IT's role is fundamentally redefined, becoming a strategic driver for business success. The ultimate vision is zero downtime, zero outages, and zero incidents. This is an achievable, near-term reality with AI-native IT. The time to act is now, to architect the future of your organization's competitive edge. Thank you for joining this video. The AI-native organization is a commitment to reimagining what IT can be. Let's build the future of IT together.